used to come through when I was in Golaghat. Always this way, Jagi Road and this. When I came, I was talking to the taxi driver, reminded me so many things. Your hospitality, your dress, this mekhla and that gamosha, your dhoti, which I left long back in 2023, when I again saw you here in that attire, I was really transported back to those days. The hospitality especially of Assam is unforgettable. When I was a teacher there in Golaghat, the parents especially were so hospitable that on several occasions they invited me to their homes. I enjoyed the pita, especially on the occasion of Bihu. And the dance, Bihu dance, that is the cultural trademark of this land of our homes. Being with you again here is a kind of coming home for me. When you speak Assamese, I enjoy the music of your language. It is so sweet. It is as sweet as the people of this place. Though I didn't get any chance to visit this school, but when I was in Golaghat, I heard about this Morigaon. And fortunately, not as a teacher, but as a member of the board for the walking interview, I got this chance with the grace of God to visit your school. I am very much thankful to all of you for giving this opportunity to me to stand in front of you for sharing my feelings to you. The school is, after seeing the children and the teachers and the infrastructure, everything, it guarantees that it's moving on the right track. I'm quite sure that the children of this school certainly have made their marks in different areas, because the history of this school, the background and the effort put in by the teachers and the principal and other staff ensures that they are very much placed regarding their objectives to cater with the educational needs of the students. I hope in future I'll certainly come across the news, the great news of the outstanding performance of the students of the school and outstanding performance of the teachers and other staff of the school. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all.